Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow the Endel application to use Siri shortcuts, thereby enhancing your Endel experience with voice commands. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Now click on the settings option, which is the second one. Now scroll down till you find this Siri shortcuts section, and then tap on the configure button. As you can see, you can add these functions such as play, focus, relax, sleep, and move by tapping on the add to Siri buttons. And now you can set or add a custom phrase that Siri can use to tell Endel to run this shortcut. So when you say play focus, it will play focus. So if you open Siri and say play focus, Siri will automatically open this application and will play focus. But you can also add other instructions by tapping on this box which says play focus, delete it and add your own instructions. So if you say that particular instruction that you would like to change it for, you can do so. If you are done with these steps, all you have to do is tapping on this button down below, add to Siri. So you can continue doing these steps by tapping on the other buttons, and as you can see, you can save the timer count from your last session. You can also open the timer settings and complete these steps. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.